Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today we'll show you how to create a poll in Messenger. So let's get started. To do that, first open Messenger on your PC. As you can see, I've already logged in my account. So here, after coming here, click the bottom left button. You'll see 4 options popping up. Select poll. After that, write whatever you want to make a poll about. Create the options and done. Here is a poll created. And that's how you make a poll. Hope you guys like this video. Please share our video and subscribe to the channel. Peace.